Here we're doing 1997 Chevy Cavalier, replacing the tensioner. And as you can see, sorry, not enough light, but it's right here. It's really easy. You don't have to remove the motor mount or the reservoir. It's only 2 bolts, one over here on this side, and one is on the other side here on the passenger, on the back. Oops. You need a 15mm ratchet. First we're going to remove the serpentine belt, which you're going to need a 15mm wrench, as you can see here. I already got it somewhat out. Okay, we're going to pause for a second. Now we're going to move the belt out of the way. We're going to use a 15mm ratchet. This is 16. Okay, once it's loose, you can do it by hand. Okay, here's one. There's a long one on this side in the front, and there should be a short one in the back here. Hold it, please. Okay, once it's loose, take it out with your finger. Okay. This is the short one and the long one. Right here. And that's it. It should sneak right out from the end of the alternator. And there you go.
Yeah.